What if you could do some work one time and then get paid for that work for the rest of your life? Well, that's exactly how royalty income works. Royalties are one of the most attractive ways to get paid.
I like royalties.
Like the entire Friends cast is still making $20 million a year each in royalties because people keep watching the Friends reruns. We miss you, Matthew Perry.
There'll be no more watching me sleep. No more!
Or maybe you've heard of artists like 50 Cent making tens of thousands of dollars a month off of royalties from their old content. Or maybe you've heard Kevin O'Leary structure his perpetual royalty deals where anytime one of his investment companies sells a product, he gets paid with cash. Now here's the thing, you don't have to be a famous celebrity or a singer to start generating royalties, although that can help. If you want to generate royalties, what you need is some sort of IP, which stands for intellectual property. What IP means is you have to create something unique that other people want. So on the physical side, this would be now you going out and creating a product and then getting some sort of protection around this product that you can then sell to somebody else. So for an example, I used to work in the e-commerce space. I created a sock company where I worked with a textile engineer and a manufacturer to create a water-resistant sock. This was years ago. Now my goal wasn't to build a big sock company. My goal was to take the technology to make these socks water-resistant and license it to the other sock sellers like Under Armour and Nike because they're already selling tons of socks. But if I could create this technology and then they license this technology from me, then maybe they'll pay me a few cents for every pair of socks that they sell. Well, what ended up happening was I applied for a patent, and while I was doing that, I was trying to sell the socks. We had a pretty strong e-commerce presence and we were in some stores, but eventually that patent got denied. They said that the patent that I had wasn't unique and original enough. So now when I was in these preliminary discussions to potentially license this technology to other people, all those discussions fell through because now I didn't have any sort of intellectual property. But if you can create some sort of intellectual property, if you can create a product, if you can create a thing that other people want and you can protect it with a patent or some other sort of protection, what that allows you to do is now you own the rights to this certain thing, this product, this creation, and then you can sell the rights to use your creation, to use your product, to use your ideas because you own that protection. If you don't have this patent, you don't have any legal shields protecting your idea, and then anybody can use your technology, anybody can use your ideas, and they don't have to pay you anything. That's why you want to have these legal shields around your protection, and if you can create something new and unique and creative that other businesses, other people want, well then instead of you just selling the product, then you can license the technology to other people that are selling the product, and then they can use your ideas and then pay you every time they sell your products. If you enjoyed this clip and you want to continue your financial education journey, I have another video that I think you'll love. All you got to do is click that button right over there. And for those of you who want to stay up to date on the top finance and business news, you can join Market Briefs, my free financial newsletter, by clicking that button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.